Hello everyone, it's Dan Oski. Now, here in Tulsa, we have a respiratory thing going on. We have a lot of mucus. It's hard to get rid of. I thought that we would have start a conversation about cough assist. Cough assist helps you to cough up stuff that you can't cough up on your own. So we found that the cough assist, you can change input pressure and output pressure, as well as you can do it automatic and manually. We find the most success with manually only output, and the reason is I give it the breath and then it sucks the breath out of me. I had a hard time when it was blowing in my face and then knowing when to exhale. This way, whoever's helping you is able to take cues from you and actually help you to cough. So we're going to demonstrate here 3 coughs. So hope it helps.
Okay, so again, what we said, we want this video to kind of generate some talk of things that you guys have had that's successful. We know this is just one way of doing it and everybody's different. Obviously Dad still has enough strength to be able to initiate his cough, and so that's why we're able to, we changed our mode into the manual mode, so I can just do the suction part right when he tries to cough to kind of help out with that. So we're going to try that today, and we would love to see your videos or hear your tips of things that are successful, maybe of people that are able to use the inhale part as well, or maybe the timing that you found that has worked for you. So
as well, we are not using a suction machine. I am just spitting, so here we go.
So we use a blanket and then just a little bowl for him to spit in because we don't have a suction right now. And I'm just going to turn it on and make sure it's in the manual mode, and then I'm just going to wait for him to cough, and I'm going to hit the exhale button right when he coughs. And then I usually do it a few times and then give him a chance to spit it out, and we repeat as many times as needed on that. So we're looking forward to seeing your videos. Thanks.
Stay strong, the cure is near.